Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a beautiful 2013 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic CVO. This thing has just got a beautiful paint job on it. Factory Harley Davidson CVO paint. Not sure of the actual official Harley names for these colors, but it's like a deep burgundy and then a red and a black and the silver pinstripe and the red trim stripe. Really looks nice on this bike. Beautiful pattern, beautiful color combination. Chrome front end, CVO rims. I noticed here on the front fender, right here, looks like there's a little rub right here on that fender. Maybe a tiny, no, that came off right there. Got a good tire on the front. The upgraded high dollar daylighter style lights on this bike. Tinted lens covers, chrome oil cooler cover, and chrome regulator. I just had a nice highway pegs there, matching floorboards and pedals. Got the pewter colored powder coated motor. It's a Screaming Eagle 110 motor with a 6-speed. All chrome hand grips, switch housings, color matched interfering. Excuse me. Windshield trim. Got the Garmin unit set up here, padded dash, AM/FM CD player, and CB radio with special CVO gauges in there. It's real nice. Got the badging, different areas on the bike. Heated hand grips, electronic cruise control, lower leg fairings with storage right here. Heated seat, heated grips, full onboard electronics between rider and passenger. Upgraded stereo. It's got lumbar support here on the passenger seat. Chrome luggage rack on the back. Upgraded with a set of Vance & Hines exhausts. Really a beautiful bike. Good tire on the rear. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. The bike's got 27,251 miles on it. .110 sounds good through those Vance & Hines exhausts. I think I saw a couple more little spots I want to point out to you if I can find them. It wasn't anything major, but it was. I do remember seeing a couple of little rock pecks somewhere. 27,000 miles. The previous owner bought this bike to ride, and he took care of it. It's not beat up and scarred up, but it does have a couple of little signs. I saw that. Oh, here's one right here. This little spot right here on the tour pack lid. The bags look nice. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Might be some just tiny, minor little hairline scratches there on that lid, a couple of them. This one looks good. Go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We ran this bike through our shop and checked it out, and it's ready to ride. Got some excellent finance options and extended warranty options on it. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.